you see us? Can you see
Yeah.
Look at what we're making.
Miss Swiss.
Try to guess what we're making. This looks like hot chocolate. Is it hot chocolate? What kind of hot? What kind of hot chocolate? Valentine hot chocolate? What kind of chocolate is this? Called, you already got into the ingredients, chocolate. You can't even see me. That's a good thing. I should do all videos like this. Okay, when I'm watching YouTube, I'm like, get to the point. Let's get to the point. Hot chocolate bombs. Let's do this. Ready? All you need is some almond bark. We're gonna melt it.
Well, they're not almond. They're not almond.
They're not almond and they don't bark. So what we're gonna do, I'm sure you guys have seen them, right? They're those hot chocolate balls.
2,000 years later.
Or whatever shape you want to make, and you put them in the hot chocolate. You pour the
One eternity later.
milk on, right? And it just, and it's all marshmallows and greatness, right? So
Yeah,
it's so easy. I saw online all these people in their sphere molds and their $100 million molds, right? Then I saw a lady who was like, you can do it for so cheap. She got these Kinder Joy things at the store. Right. We have these little silicone cupcake molds that are already hearts, right?
It's already melted?
So we're just gonna see how fast we can do these, because it's such a quick thing.
Wow.
And you can decorate them so pretty, and then they can be gifts, right? They can be gifts. Okay, let's see. Okay, that is not ready.
That looks so good.
It's so good.
I gotta try it out.
Don't lick it.
No.
Okay, so it just takes a couple of seconds to melt that. In the meantime, we'll tell you what else to get. You're just gonna need a handful of marshmallows.
Yeah, which I built 2 people of marshmallows.
We got some Swiss Miss. It's whatever kind you like. As I am.
Whoa. You're gonna paint it.
I'm putting the chocolate. I think you can actually like spoon it in here just to make it easier on yourself. Spoon it in. You can only spoon it in first time around. Second time around. Yeah, and yes, we're doing 2 rounds. Second time around, you can't spoon it in. Okay, so I use this paintbrush. And what I'm doing is I'm taking it about halfway up. Don't worry about how messy it is, because it's gonna be okay later. I will show you. I will show you.
It's gonna be delicious.
Okay, so can you see that? Okay, so I just painted the bottom, right, and the sides also. So.
And now you're gonna do another one.
Exactly. So I'm just gonna fill these, and then I'm gonna paint them up the sides. I'm just trying to show you how quick and easy it is. This is not like a 1,000,000-hour project, and it's so fun.
It's not 1,100,000 hours.
It's not 1,100,000 hours.
I'm a good boy.
You're a good boy. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's not pooling at the bottom and super thick, but you also don't want the bottom to show through. Okay, so can you see what I'm doing?
Whoa.
Maybe I could set it down. So it's all in the bottom, right? Can you see that?
Whoa.
So now I'm just going to bring it up the sides. Okay. And I think almond bark is like $3 at every grocery store.
That's not bad.
No, so if you make a whole bunch of these and you get... So my whole can of hot chocolate mix over there was like, I don't know, $6, $7. My bag of marshmallows was $1.
What? It was $1?
Mm-hmm.
No.
And then my chocolate was like $3 or something. This is a good deal. Okay. Especially if you like making gifts. Okay, so can you see how the bottom is coated? Can we see that?
Wow.
Okay. So, and it's just up the side, and it doesn't have to be even or even pretty. It'll be pretty later. So right now I'm using a big fat, I almost said toothbrush, big fat paintbrush. And later I'm gonna use a little more fine tip. Okay, so like I said, first time. Oh my gosh. Because I'm trying to do it fast, because I gosh, I'm trying to show you how quick and easy this is, right? Quick and easy. You can use candy mold if you want to, but here's the deal. It needs to be deep enough. That's why some people use the, what did I just show you over there? The Kinder egg?
Yeah.
Because it pops right out of there. And you just do the same thing. You just melt some chocolate. Some people do semi-sweet, like the chocolate chips you use to make chocolate chip cookies. But, I like it sweet. And the hot chocolate that these make.
Yes.
So you're going to have regular hot chocolate mix. And then you're going to have melted chocolate in your cup from these things, right? It is like the best hot chocolate you've ever had. So it just kind of depends on what kind of chocolate you like. Okay. And I actually combined a whole bunch of recipes online. So this is like a... Okay, can you see it?
Kodak moment.
Really? You know what a Kodak moment is?
No, I don't know.
I was going to say, are you old enough for a Kodak moment? Okay, so now I'm going to pop those guys in. Okay? Be right back.
The second batch.
The second, yeah, it's the second, what you call it? The second coating, right? Okay, so.
Sanna's doing a stir.
Okay, so now you're not going to dump it in there because then the bottom's going to be too thick,
no,
right?
No.
Except this one, look it, can you see this little, can you see that? Can you see where the chocolate's not thick? So we kind of want to make it thick on this one. But this one is like, can you see how smooth it is?
Oh, yeah.
It is like super thick. We don't want it too thick, right? Okay. So let me paint this really quick and then pop them back in the freezer. So now what I'm doing is I'm trying to just do a second coating on the side with the smaller brush. And it seems like it's a lot of work. It's not. I really want you guys to try these because they're fun.
And they're great at the end.
A lot of people, like, they went through so much time and effort. And I'm like, why? Why do some people make this look so easy and some people make it look like a flippin' chore? Not a chore. And I've seen some people do it with Kahlua, which is...
What?
It is an alcoholic beverage. Alcoholics. But I don't drink, so I don't need that. One more thing, I almost forgot. I found these at Walmart on accident. I wasn't even looking. And it's Lucky Charms marshmallows. Look at, oh my god, it's gonna be so fun in the hot chocolate. Boy, I tell you what. And they taste good. Not that I got into them. So here we go. So I took them all out of the freezer, okay? I actually made enough. I made 2 batches. So it's 4 pieces. So that is enough for 4 bombs. Okay, so I'm taking them out right now. And when they're individual like that, they just kind of pop right out. Just like that. Can you see it? Can you see it very well?
Wow.
That's
so
amazing.
Perfect.
Okay, so I'll wash those in a minute. Okay, so now we are left with all these chocolates. Do you get a good shot? Let's see. Let's see your shot. Okay, so let me show you something. See how it's all uneven and crazy? Can you see that?
Oh gosh.
Right? I think I went a little bit crazy. I went all the way to the top with those. Okay, so how on earth are they gonna hold anything? Are they gonna hold anything? It's gonna be all crazy, right? Mm-hmm. Now what do I do? Ha-ha! I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna get a pan hot. Hey, while we get the pan hot, maybe I'll put some. Just look at this. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Can you see what I'm doing? That's pretty even, right? But I want it, the whole thing to be even. So I'm just gonna touch it down.
What?
Just gonna touch it down in the pan for a second, and now it's even Steven. Okay, I'm just gonna, can you see me swirl it in the pan?
Yeah. Look at all that chocolate.
I know, so you just swirl, swirl, swirl till it's nice and even. And then you lose grip of it, and then you burn it in the pan.
And then you die.
And then you sing your song. And you wish you wouldn't have had so much sugar because you're fat. Okay. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to fill all the cups.
Ooh.
Okay. You're going to fill the cups. It said, like, every recipe said, like, 1 to 2. So I'm definitely putting 1 in each one. And then I'll probably go back and put, like, a half. Half. And then I'm going to put the marshmallows in the other half, right? And then I'm going to melt it together.
And after.
Well, okay, so here we go. But where's my other chocolate? Ah, there's my other. Did I cook it? No. Okay, so let's cook that. Let's get this ready. Where's the spoon? I need a spoon. I need a spoon to stir it.
Ooh, it should.
And then I'm going to use a little paintbrush to kind of smooth where I smear it. You know what?
Oh, no, I'm Bob Ross.
I'm
I'm Bob Ross.
Bob Ross.
He is now stirring
We're
chocolate.
back. Yes, I have the chocolate. It's all good to go.
So good.
It's all smooth and hot. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot the marshmallows. Okay. So you have half of it has your stuff, right? Can you see? I don't know if you can see. So half of it has your stuff. The other half, we're going to cram full of marshmallows. So I think we should make little piles.
What kind of thing is that? Chocolate.
This is the cementish glue, right? Okay. So let's do that. Okay, ready? And... Okay. And you're going to glue the seam, right? And you don't want to use a lot because you'll melt your little shell. So just kind of shove it together, seal it, and get it in the fridge fast, okay?
Really quick.
That's the key. You got to do it fast, yeah.
Fast motion.
Three days later.
Hey guys, look at,
My God.
we got the hot milk ready to go, okay? Look at our little Valentine display. Aww. Okay, I'm ready. I think I kind of want to do it in slow motion, right? I had to shove this guy in sideways because the mug wasn't, I just had to have the Disneyland mug and it wasn't fat. Anyway, I could have used a fat mug. Okay, I'm going to do it in slow motion so I can see the stuff explode.
Oh gosh.
Did it work? No. One. Okay. We ready for this one? I'm going to do this one in regular time. Stir it all around
it's
so
like
you
the
get
grave.
chocolate in it. Because there's
It's
8
like the grave.
pounds of chocolate.
He's bobbing out.
Okay, are we ready?
I want to see it though.
I know, I want to see it too. Hopefully I can slow the video down.
Wait, okay.
Okay, you ready? Where is it? There we go. I can't do both things at once. I'm retarded.
Amatard. Whoa, it's like...
Should I have done it slower? I think you need a spoon. Where's your spoon?
No, I think it's happening. Oh snap! The bottom's coming. Stop! Stop!
Whoa!
Holy! You should have stopped.
No, it's good. Look.
No, you should have just turned it over because it was already bubbling.
Oh, maybe I had it upside down. Oh my God, there's so much chocolate.
Holy! I don't know which one to have, and I don't know which one you should have. I think you should have.
You should have the Marie one, cause
I think you should have.
I mean, we both love Marie, but you super love Marie.
Oh
my God, you see all the chocolate in there?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's a bunch.
Oh my God, we're both gonna have diabetes in about 30 seconds. Oh my God, it's so thick.
Simp. I just added
I wonder how hot it is. Can we drink it, or is it crazy hot?
I think it's crazy.
Let's see. Cheers, home slice. Oh, that is heaven. It's not that hot. I thought it was hotter. Oh, I would have made the milk hotter had I known. That is so delicious. Something is wrong. Let's see if I can get this right.
Something is wrong.
Something's wrong. I don't know.
Something's wrong.
We'll figure this out.